I thought you would never get here. This cavernous room is scary, when you are by yourself all alone.
Hey, I'm sorry, I overslept and got started late.
Were my directions okay?
Yes, they were perfect. You can't miss the giant red hot dog stand. And those hedges cut in the shape of baseball great Babe Ruth, the landmarks were incredible.
Good. Some people miss the hedges shaped like Hall of Fame baseball player Babe Ruth.
So, why did you call me here? You sounded pretty serious on the phone.
It's this Translux mid-range generator. I can't get it to start. I've tried everything.
Yeah, these things are tricky. Did you try unplugging it? Sometimes if you unplug them they reset.
I tried everything but that. I took off the front and back panels. Replaced the switches. I even cleaned the discharge evaporator. I didn't think of unplugging it.
Yeah. Unplugging it usually does the trick.
Unplugging it and replugging it back in?
Yeah.
That's all I needed to do?
Yeah, pretty much.
Something that simple?
Yeah.
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 Wow.
Yeah.
That's all I needed to do.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll unplug it.
Okay.
I'll wait until you leave. Then I'll unplug it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming.
Sure. Anything to help.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Well, you can leave now. When you are gone, I will unplug it.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye.